To open a Chime account, you must be at least 18 years old, a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and have a valid social security number. However, if you are under 18, a legal guardian can open a joint account with you as a co-owner, providing their information, such as their social security number, ID documents, and contact information, as well as yours. The standard minimum age to open a bank account and receive a debit card is 18 years old in most states. For those under 18, financial institutions often allow a parent or legal guardian to co-sign or open a joint account. Alternatively, you can consider debit cards designed for kids and teens, which usually require a parent or guardian to open and manage the account, such as the Green Light and Fidelity Youth account. It is recommended to wait until you turn 18 to open a Chime account in your own name. And in the meantime, you can explore teen-focused debit card options with the help of your parent or guardian.